The sanctity of arbitral awards is a cornerstone of efficient dispute resolution. Recently, the Rajasthan High Court reinforced this principle in a landmark ruling. The case involved Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project and MS National Builders. This essay will delve into the court's decision and its implications. It will analyze the legal principles, particularly Section 37 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. The dispute stemmed from a contract awarded in 2003. Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project engaged MS National Builders for roadwork in Ajmer. The project involved road widening and strengthening. The contract stipulated a completion date of February 2, 2004. However, the project encountered significant delays. It was finally completed on May 10, 2005, exceeding the deadline by over a year. This delay led to the imposition of liquidated damages on MS National Builders. Liquidated damages are predetermined contractual penalties for delays. However, the responsibility for the delay was contested. MS National Builders argued that Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project was largely responsible for the holdups. To resolve the dispute, the matter was referred to arbitration, a process where an impartial third party reviews the case and makes a binding decision. The arbitrator, after thoroughly examining the evidence and considering all arguments presented by both parties, ruled in favor of MS National Builders. The arbitrator acknowledged that while there was a delay in the project, a significant portion of it was attributable to the actions, or inactions, of Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project. The arbitrator's award, issued on August 30, 2010, directed Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project to refund the liquidated damages that had been imposed on MS National Builders. Dissatisfied with the outcome, Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project challenged the award under Section 34 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996, seeking to overturn the decision. This challenge was dismissed by the Commercial Court on July 11, 2019, upholding the arbitrator's original decision. Subsequently, Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project filed an appeal under Section 37 of the Act before the Rajasthan High Court, continuing their legal battle to overturn the arbitration award. Section 4. The Rajasthan High Court's decision. The Rajasthan High Court, presided over by Justices Avnish Jingan and Bhuwan Goyal, upheld the arbitrator's decision. This decision was a significant moment in the ongoing legal battle, reflecting the court's commitment to upholding the principles of justice and fairness. The court meticulously analyzed the facts of the case and the principles governing arbitration in India. They took into account every detail presented, ensuring that the decision was based on a thorough understanding of the legal framework and the specific circumstances of the case. The court opined that appellate courts have a limited role in arbitration matters. This limitation is crucial to maintain the integrity and efficiency of the arbitration process, preventing unnecessary delays and interventions. Their intervention is restricted to specific grounds mentioned in the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. This act serves as the cornerstone of arbitration law in India, providing a clear framework for resolving disputes outside the traditional court system. The court emphasized that mere disagreement with the arbitrator's findings is not a valid ground for interference. This principle ensures that arbitration remains a viable and efficient alternative to litigation. The court found no error in the arbitrator's reasoning or the award itself. The arbitrator's decision was deemed fair and just, reflecting a balanced consideration of all the evidence and arguments presented. Therefore, the court dismissed the appeal filed by Rajasthan Urban Infrastructures Development Project, thus upholding the refund of liquidated damages to MS National Builders. This ruling not only reinforced the arbitrator's decision, but also underscored the importance of adhering to the established legal processes in arbitration. Section 5. Legal Principles and Analysis. The Rajasthan High Court's decision assumes significance due to its affirmation of key legal principles related to arbitration. This decision is a landmark in the realm of arbitration law, providing clarity and reinforcing the legal framework that governs arbitration proceedings in India. Firstly, the ruling underscores the limited scope of Section 37 of the Arbitration and Conciliation Act, 1996. This section is crucial as it delineates the boundaries within which appeals against arbitral awards can be made. Section 37 allows appeals against arbitral awards only on limited grounds. These grounds are narrowly defined to ensure that arbitration remains an effective and efficient means of dispute resolution. These grounds include errors apparent on the face of the award, violation of public policy, or if the award is based on fraud or corruption. This ensures that only significant issues can disrupt the finality of an arbitral award. Secondly, the judgment reinforces the principle of minimal judicial intervention in arbitration. This principle is vital for maintaining the integrity and autonomy of the arbitration process. Arbitration thrives on the principle of party autonomy and expeditious dispute resolution. Parties choose arbitration to avoid the delays and complexities of traditional court proceedings. Courts are reluctant to interfere with arbitral awards unless there are compelling reasons to do so. This reluctance is rooted in the desire to respect the party's choice of arbitration as their preferred method of dispute resolution. This approach promotes the efficacy and finality of arbitral proceedings. By limiting judicial intervention, the courts help ensure that arbitration remains a viable and attractive option for resolving disputes. Section 6. Conclusion. The Rajasthan High Court's decision in Rajasthan Urban Infrastructure's Development Project vs. MS National Builders serves as a significant precedent. It reiterates the importance of respecting arbitral decisions. The judgment emphasizes that courts will not interfere with arbitral awards merely because one party disagrees with the outcome. This approach fosters confidence in arbitration as a viable dispute resolution mechanism. By upholding the arbitrator's decision, the court has contributed to promoting arbitration and ensuring its efficiency.